Uddhav Sena has also waded in this CAA debate. Uddhav Sena is saying this election is about patriots versus haters.
नवीन कायदा ते आता आणतायत देशात. कोणता? तो सीए कळलंय तुम्हाला? म्हणजे आपल्या देशाच्या बाहेर जे कोणी भयभीत झालेले हिंदू असतील, जैन असतील, पारसी असतील, शीख असतील, त्यांना आपल्या देशात येऊ द्या, जरूर येऊ द्या. तेव्हा मी मुख्यमंत्री झालो होतो. नोव्हेंबरमध्ये शपथ घेतली आणि डिसेंबरमध्ये त्यांनी हे भूत आपल्या देशामध्ये नाचवलं होतं, सीए आणि एनआरसी. एक भीती सगळ्यांच्या मनात निर्माण झाली होती, खास करून आसामच्या जनतेमध्ये, की आमच्या या इथल्या राहण्याचं सर्टिफिकेट नसेल तर आमचं काय होणार, असं काहीतरी तो विचित्र कायदा होता. आणि त्याच वेळेला या कायद्याच्या विरुद्ध काही याचिका कोर्टात दाखल झाल्या. त्या याचिकांचा अजून निकाल लागलेला नाही आणि आज परत त्यांनी सीएची अधिसूचना जाहीर केली. धर्मामध्ये भेद करायचा आहे, मारामारी करायची आहे, दंगली पेटवायच्या आहेत.
Let's go across to Rakesh, who's joining us live with more details. Rakesh, here in the national capital, Arvind Kejriwal says Pakistani are being fed using money of Indian citizens, money that belongs to them. And there in Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray is saying, this is about patriots versus haters. This is what the 2024 election is all about.
Yes, definitely, Swati, and this is very surprising to see that the person whose party who was in agreement with the BJP on the CA Act is, as far as concerned, remember, as he himself said, that when he was chief minister, right after that, this CA NRC was discussed by the BJP, and he calls it Vichitra Kaida. If that was so Vichitra for him that time, why didn't he raise the objection while he was the chief minister of the state? And why is he using it now as a political gimmick? He is calling that this is the political gimmick by the BJP, and this is trying to somewhere spread the misinformation about the CA. Yesterday also I was talking to a lot of people and was asking them what is CA, what is their understanding, and trust me that people do not have a fair idea about the CA, and that is perhaps maybe because of these leaders like Arvind Kejriwal or Uddhav Thackeray are somewhere they are spreading their own narrative, saying that this will snatch the jobs of the Indian citizen, and like Uddhav said that this is the Vichitra Kaida, this is not to be done. And remember, this is Balasaheb Thakeray's party who used to take a very strong stand for the Hindutva. And today, when Uddhav Thackeray when he was in Yavatmal, he was giving this speech. So certainly, the opposition is trying to take this opportunity to spread their own narrative, their own propaganda as far as the CA is concerned. Right. On the other hand, the BJP is
multiple narratives, in fact, coming in from opposition parties, while the centre says this is a law about. These opposition parties are saying is nothing but fear mongering. Thank you very much to Arunil and Rakesh for getting us the inputs. To Mohit Bhat, I beg your pardon. Moving on, protests were seen in different locations. We are in fact getting you details on the protests that are taking place and the political reactions that we are getting as well on the CAA debate. For the moment, we're taking a very short break. News and updates will continue.